So there's been this blow up bomb pop. It's been there forever. Why do I gotta get it?
That's a perfect fit.
Boom. We got a rifle.
So they think I wanna die, yeah, cause my dose is suicide, yeah, bet my coffin would be nice.
Anyway, good morning guys, we're back. Yeah, Jonah just slept on the floor.
I've had a lot worse.
Anyway, we're probably gonna go get some food and then head on out to the ocean. Eaten by a shark. Megalodon. So we decided to go to Waffles and Company. It's just right down the road from our hotel, so that's pretty lit. You guys want waffles? Buffet, $13.95 for all you can eat.
Oh, dude, it's this one. I'm excited.
It's about to slap. So overall, pretty good place. It was $20 for me because I got pineapple juice and that was $3.25. I had no idea. But, I mean, it's pretty tasty.
We need to come to this parking lot.
Yeah, why didn't we come here to skateboard?
Did anybody want a cane?
Yeah, bro! Yeah! So it's kind of sprinkling right now. We're heading over to the store for Jonah to get his one wheel, and then hopefully it'll stop raining later and we can get a little skate montage. Pull out the GoPros right around here and on the pier and stuff. It's gonna be litified.
Around here and on the pier.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Oh my god.
OMG everything. Virginia Beach.
I mean, you really do have everything. Like, the people at Wings Go at Virginia Beach are the nicest people you ever meet. Fall in the water. We're heading to the beach and it just starts raining. It's pouring. Great.
At this moment, he knew. He f***ed up.
Whoa. Yeah. Oh my lord. Done on the beach for a little bit. It started lightning back that way, so now we're going back to the hotel, probably chill out for a little bit, and then if the weather clears up, go skateboarding down by the pier. Oh, that was a big old bump right there. Beautiful. I swear to God, skateboarding by the ocean is probably the best.
It's amazing.
Oh look, our hotel's right there.
Oh shit.
It's like Mario Kart.
Busy at night.
Yep. You go to Dairy Queen. Hopefully they're cheaper than the other two places we try to stop at. But it's Dairy Queen.
At that point, we might as well just go back here and try the real ice cream.
Honestly, yeah. I don't know how much a blizzard would be here, but we're about to find out. We got marshmallow milkshakes. Jonah's waiting on his over there. Just chilling.
This is nice. I guess it's just chill. You got some music, milkshakes. It's beautiful from the beach.
gonna be completely honest, when I think of Virginia, I don't think of it like this at all.
Oh, yeah. When I think of Virginia, I don't think of Virginia. Like, I don't know what.
I think of like woods.
Yeah.
Like just like a bunch of woods areas, like log cabins. So somehow there's just a walk out here. This is put here for us.
They just built it when they heard we were coming in.
Legit.
Oh,
legit.
Boulder and Dak Ombre are coming? Bro.
Way too, but. Okay, so I forgot to end off the vlog last night. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy, please drop a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, to go Boulder, to Sorgo. Subscribe to Dak Ombre. It's in the bathroom right now. Oh, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.